papasukin na natin si Mami Lucette dahil meron din siya mga ipiflex ngayong araw na ito. Mami Lucette, let's go!
Hello everyone and thank you Mama Kulin. I missed you. Eto na nga. I saw that our live viewers today are very aggressive pa din sa pagmamay ng mga items, even me and Mama Kulin, of course. At dahil dyan, kahit day 3 na ng ating Grand Baby Fair year 12, o yan. Umaga pa lang pero mukhang puno na ang kanilang mga shopping carts. Yung ating mga mommies and daddies sa SMX, grabe at dun sa ating mga live viewers. But don't worry moms and dads, I know you will still join me, your host this morning, as usual, the one and only Mommy Lucette at your service. I will be flexing more items, more exciting deals from your favorite baby brands and I am sure you can't resist. Promise, hindi nyo ito kayang tanggihan just like me. Ako kanina tinitingnan ko lang, sabi ko add to cart na agad. So, this is your time for you to add this item to the list. So now, again, all you have to do is comment mine plus the item code. Please do not forget the item code. It is very important that I will share after I flex the items in our comment section below. Then our sales representatives will get in touch with you on how you can pay your item and if ready na ito for pick up in our designated curbside pick up here at SMX. Grabe ang bilis, di ba? Or you may opt to book any delivery service app of your choice. Ganun lang kadali. So now let's start na our Facebook live selling this morning with this item from Disney. Ano nga bang Disney? Nako, favorite ko to kasi madalas ako manood ng mga Disney movies. The classic characters we all love are in Disney baby toys. Nako, feeding items, and now in small appliances. Grabe! Ako nga favorite ko itong ipapakita ko mamaya. Yes, we also have it here at Grand Baby Fair. Talaga nga namang creativity and functionality combined. Ganun pala, combined. Only from Disney. So what we have here, let's start with